lie, right?
Indifference. Yun pa yung opposite ng love.
Deference, yung di ba yung, ano, yung...
Pag nag-subtract ka.
Hindi, ano mo yun?
Anong deference?
Indifference.
Indifference.
Nasa gitna lang kami.
Hindi kaya ka naman.
Hindi, ano mo yun? Indifference. From Queen of Deadma.
Number 9.
I indicated on my resume na knowledgeable in Microsoft Office. Diyos ko, copy-paste nga lang, hirap pa.
Yung
Well,
shortcuts.
You know what? This is the kind of bluff that, a lot of people do. Yung parang, alam mo naman na magaling ka. Pero there are some of the things that they kind of need you to be qualified in, but you're not. So you say you are, so that hopefully by the time they realize that you lied, they already know that,
You can do a lot of other
but
stuff.
you can do a lot of
Yeah.
other stuff, so let's keep. Di ba? Maraming ganyan. Sasabihin nila, marunong sila mag ganito, marunong sila mag ganito. Just to get in, and
Yeah.
then impress everyone immediately. So that when
It gets to the point where
maaamin mo na, I
can't
actually
do it,
don't
but-
know this.
You know what's something that I
Dami kong kilala na
really
ganyan.
want to be good at? Using Excel. Like, I mean, I know the basics, right? I know how to use it. It's just that I want to be great at it. Because some people, they're so good at it. Parang ako kasi I usually just, use whatever formats.
Or you do it at a certain pace. Na mas
Yeah.
mabagal.
I used to be so good at this when I was doing finance and
Yun nga
school, and
eh.
then now for some reason I completely forgot.
I struggle with these things
Right?
ever since. Like,
They do have like short online courses for these things. Or like maybe even like YouTube tutorials.
oh my God.
Pwede namang
But it's-
i-explore.
There's so many things you can do with it that you don't need a calculator. Everything's just
Yeah.
there for you
Yeah.
at your perusal.
Yes.
It's perfect.
And coming from Juice Blank,
Number 8.
worst lie I ever told, when I told her, I'm not that into you. When in fact, I was falling in love with her. But why would you do that?
I know.
Why would you say you're not into her when, if you're into her?
Well, maybe she had someone else. Maybe she's already in a relationship, but you don't want to ruin it, so...
Oh, you don't want to be the bad guy.
I can't relate. All is fair in love and war.
Okay. Because I would say it. I mean, if I'm into the person and then...
Even if they were with someone else.
No. Yeah, I probably would. Hindi, kunyari,
Yeah, I'd
all
probably
if we're
avoid.
both single, and I like someone, I don't see any reason why you won't tell them that you like them. Because it wasn't that the point.
Listen, there was someone.
They was the one.
There was someone in the cast. On my way home, like I brought them home. They're like, so out of the cast, who would you hook up with? And I'm like, I don't know. No, I mean,
No one?
No one. And then sabi niya, are you sure? Blah, 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 blah. Because I heard otherwise. I'm like, what do you hear?
What do you mean I heard
No.
otherwise?
I'm happy. Tapos siya din may someone.
Oh,
So I'm just like, no.
what are you talking
What
about?
are you talking about? Stop this.
Oh. Where did that come from?
Out of nowhere.
So sino daw? Oh, what did you mean? Chipi pupuyo, chuchu.
Sino daw?
Yee, papa. Tututuy. Okay, and moving on. Coming from Sophia.
Asim. Hoy! Hoy, sino? Wait, sino?
Sige, worst lie I ever told. Top 10 po tayo, opo.
Wait, speaking of Sophia, sabi ni Sophia, she volunteers as, sabi niya, I volunteer as tribute to help tutor, like, Excel.
Ay, yung mga ganon.
Sabi niya, she did trainings for it.
Oh, wow. Look at you.
Oh, gosh.
Well, Sophia was saying, worst lie I ever told. According to my hubs, every single TMR entry ko na naging top entry na hindi ko nilagyan ng TS is a lie.
Oh!
Oh, but we welcome
I
that kind of
mean,
lie.
Yeah.
It's also called creative writing.
Umi-entry lang.
Entry lang. Diba? So, ako, until you put TS, I will assume.
Entry lang.
Entry lang.
Yeah.
Unless you word it in a way na, there was one time when even walang TS, then I kind of, that it's from experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. And from Mike Ferrer,
Number 6. Number 6.
during my very first confession back in grade 3, ang sabi ko kay father, nangupit ako ng 10 pesos sa wallet ng tatay ko. When in fact, it was 1K.
Ang layo ng 10 pesos sa 1K, ah.
I could never lie during confession. Parang, it's so meta. Nagko-confess ka nga ng sin mo, tapos gumagawa ka ng
Dumagdag
isa
ka
pang
pa.
sin.
Oo.
And
By lying.
if you believe in that, if you're a believer in that specific religion, which is Catholicism, then you're not really confessing it to the priest. He's just like a conduit. You're confessing it to God directly.
Yeah.
So, why would you lie to God?
To begin with,
What's the point?
I can't make kupit. I've never.
I have never to.
And I don't think
I've never
I
to. Well, yung sa amin kasi para siyang, let me qualify na. Because my dad would always say, just get from my
Yeah, if
From
you
my
need money
pocket.
and they're not around.
Yeah, even if they're there. Kunyari, I go, Daddy, kailan ko ng, can I have money or whatever? I want to buy something. Sabi niya, kuha ka sa pantalon ko. Kasi laging, kasi
Nakaiwan sa pocket ng
wala
pants.
siyang wallet. Ano siya,
Ah,
like it's a wad of bills.
like money clip, ganon.
May money clip lang siya or sometimes rubber band. Like very, very low-key. Pero it's a wad of cash.
Yeah,
So, basically, just go there. I never said how much.
yeah.
So basically, kung magkano yung kailangan mo.
No, but that's not, yeah, that doesn't
Yes.
count because they're
Oo.
aware.
They
Same.
are aware. I will ask. Pero like usually, parang very don't ask, don't tell.
Yeah.
Yung parang, kung hindi
Kahit
mo
hindi naman specific yung sasabihin mo na amount, you just get, di ba?
And if, let's say, kumbaga, pag naman tinanong niya, sasabihin ko naman. Pero kung hindi niya tatanungin kung magkano,
Di
ba't
good
ko
na.
sasabihin?
Oh, yeah, true.
So, but it wasn't coupé. Like, even yung mga, di ba the most common is tuition? Kunyari, your tuition is, I don't know, like, kunyari, during our time, 700, 800 pesos. So, bibigyan kami ng 1,000 pesos. UP kasi, so it's really cheap. So, 700, 800 pesos lang yung percent. Tapos, they'll give me 1,000 pesos. So, kunyari, yung sukle, 200, 300, ibabalik ko to the very peso.
Yeah.
Kasi kasama yung bibigay ko rin yung
The receipt.
papeles. Yeah,
Yeah.
the receipt. So, yeah, I never felt the need to keep
Same.
it or like,
True.
and I never went like, nabawasan na yan kasi nag-lunch ako or something. Hindi, binabalik ko buo. Like if I were to spend on food, I'd get it from my baon, not from the tuition. Gets?
True. Or for me, kung magastos ko man, like, I'm just gonna tell them. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
exactly.
Like, oh, I got the sukli na.
And from Space Witch,
Number 5. Number 5.
worst lie I ever told, nagparamdam yung isa kong friend na gusto manligaw. Sabi ko, I'm in a relationship. So, I can't. Kahit wala naman talaga. Tapos, since friend ko siya, sabi niya, wala man ako nakikitang jowa mo and asked for proof. Sabi ko, hindi, low-key lang kasi kami.
Ah, well, that's all you can say.
That's all you can say because
Kasi-
there is no jowa to speak of.
Exactly. And kung friend mo nga, syempre they know what's going on in your
Right?
life.
Like,
so
how would this escape my radar if you actually have a boyfriend?
then it makes sense. Because if you're playing it
Yeah,
low
you say
key.
low key.
Exactly. Diba?
But
And
that's the thing nowadays. There's a lot of people who keep things away from social media.
that's true.
Yeah.
And it makes it so
Wisely.
much
True.
easier.
Kasi nga parang nowadays, even the most wonderful, like yung mag-post ka ng cute little kitten video, somebody will call you out for something. You know, it's like,
Animal cruelty.
it's
Diba?
insane.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
And the negative comment will always be at the top because everyone wants that. They
Yeah.
don't want to see happy comments.
They're not going to
They
say,
want to
oh,
see
that's so
drama.
Oh my
adorable.
gosh.
They want to see stress.
Ay. From the cynical optimist,
Number 4. Number 4.
worst lie I ever told was to my ex. Sabi ko I cheated, but I didn't. I just said it para hiwalayan na niya.